Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech, and I know you all guys face a lot of problems while installing eSign on your iOS devices. Sometimes you face revoke problem like you get this unable to verify pop-up, or sometimes you get this internet connection error and your apps start crashing that you installed. So in this video I'm going to give you ultimate solution that will fix your problem 100%. I guarantee you if you follow my steps. So without any further delay, let's start this video. And I repeat here again, don't skip any part of this video, every step is important. So first step is go to the link given in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will get interface like this. After you are on this page, just click on get here in the top right corner and click on share button on your Safari. After that, add to your home screen. Then the Flex Store icon will appear on your home screen. Open that and allow all notifications. Now you will get interface like this. Here you will see a lot of apps that you can install directly from here. But for now we are focusing on how to install eSign using this. So before that we will need to set up the Flex Store first. For that, go to the devices section and click on add device. After that, click on allow and open your settings app. There you will see profile downloaded option at the top. Click on that and then click on install. After that, enter your passcode here and click on install again. Then you will get success page like this. When you are done with this step, return to the Flex Store again. And now in the devices section, you will see your device UDID, certificate and other services options. Now we will try to install eSign using this. But before installing eSign, make sure you are getting green tick in front of certificate and premium here at the top. I will tell you later in this video how you can get green tick in front of these two options. For now, let's see how to install eSign. For that, go to signer option. After that, select IPA file and select the IPA file of eSign. After that, click on sign app and it will take some processing time. Then you will get a install pop-up. Just click on install and return to your home screen. There you will see eSign is installed successfully on your device without any issues, and it is working perfectly. So once the eSign is installed on your device successfully, open the Flex Store again and go to devices option. And there under the certificate section you will see your certificate and download option. Just click on download. After that, copy the link from here and paste that on your Safari and click on download to download your certificate. And once your certificate is downloaded, open your eSign app. Now click on three dot in the top right corner and click on import and import the zip file of certificate that you downloaded. After importing, click on that zip file and then click on unzip. Then you will get a folder. Open that and click on .p12 file and then click on import certificate management. Now you have to enter your certificate password here that you will get in readme.txt file. After entering your password, click on OK and there you will see your certificate is imported in eSign successfully. Now you are ready to install any app using eSign. I hope you all guys know how to install apps using eSign, and if you don't know, here is a quick guide. To install any app, click on three dot in the top right corner and then import the IPA file of the app that you want to install. After that, go to the app section and click on the app that you imported and then click on signature. After that, install that app and boom, your app is installed successfully. And as I said in the beginning of this video, you will not face any revoke or blacklist problem here using this method. So now let me show you how you can get a green tick in front of those two options, certificate and premium, because without that you cannot install eSign using this method. So to get green tick in front of these two options, you will get three options under the certificate section. First one will be developer certificate plus premium. Second one will be using Apple developer account. And the third one is using your own certificate. You can go with any one of these three options, but I will suggest you to go with the first one, which is getting developer certificate and premium directly from the Flex Store. And if you get that from the link given in the description, you will get 2 months of premium access for free. And if you want to know a super secret trick to get some extra discount here while purchasing certificate, then you can check out this video here at the I button. And if you're facing any issues in this method, then just let me know in comments. I will help you with that. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you are new to channel, then subscribe it. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.